So go ahead and get relaxed in your chair, sitting up nice and tall, but also allowing yourself to sink into your chair. And go ahead and feel your feet connect with the earth below. Allow the chair to hold you up and support you. Feeling where the backs of your legs touch the chair and where your back touches the chair. And where your hands might be touching each other or resting in your lap. Go ahead and focus on taking now a couple deep cleansing breaths. And as you're doing that, we'll focus on some boxed breathing. So we'll inhale, slowly counting to 5, hold it for 5. Exhale, slowly counting to 5, and keep it released for 5. So as you inhale, taking that breath then deep into your stomach, and also allowing it to move horizontally. So I'll go ahead and count you through a couple of those deep cleansing breaths. So go ahead and inhale slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold it. And then exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really feeling your shoulders and jaw relaxing. And we'll inhale again. 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold it. And go ahead and notice what it's like to be between breaths right now. And then we'll go ahead and exhale. Again, filling your shoulders and jaw and forehead muscles relaxing. 3, 4, 5. And you can choose now if you want to continue taking these deep breaths, or maybe you need a longer inhale, maybe you need a longer exhale, or maybe you just want to go back to your normal breathing. Go ahead and just listen to your body and let that guide you. And as you inhale, just noticing how the breath feels cool as it's moving through your nostrils, and then warm as you exhale. Internally, as you inhale, mentally saying, I'm breathing in, and as you exhale, I'm breathing out. And that really helps, keeps us with our breath and in the current moment, the present moment. And if your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Just acknowledge that it did and try to just gently refocus back on these things. And as I said, as you imagine your feet really getting grounded with the earth below, I want you to imagine being able to feel through the carpet and through the subfloor and the concrete all the way down into the earth. And each time as you inhale, go ahead and imagine little roots growing out from the bottom of your feet and down to the core of the earth. So each inhale, bringing those roots deeper down. And when it feels like those roots are getting down to the core of the earth, we're going to imagine that there's a special elixir or liquid. And this elixir brings about calmness and relaxation. So go ahead and imagine those roots now drinking up that special elixir, sensing it moving all the way up into the bottoms of your feet, moving across the bottom of your feet, and then on up and over the tops of your feet, just kind of coating them and leaving behind a wake, like I said, of just calmness and relaxation, feeling your muscles relax. You might even start to notice a little bit of tingling or a temperature change, and just that would know that that would be normal. So now sensing it move up your legs and across your calves, feeling your calves relax. Up and over your knees. And across your upper legs. And down and around your lower stomach. And moving up your midsection. Up and across your chest, maybe even taking an extra moment at your heart to fill it up. And then up and over your shoulders, feeling your shoulders relax even more. Down and around your arms, moving down across your biceps. And around the elbows, all the way out to the tips of your fingers. Now moving up your neck to the base of your head. And as it moves up your head, feeling your jaw relax. You could even imagine it filling up your head as well, which could kind of mute out some of the busy thoughts going on, just kind of muffling them. Moving up and across your eyebrows again, feeling your eyebrow muscles relaxing. And all the way up to the top of your head. And go ahead and imagine a spout when it hits the top of your head. With the elixir moving out of the spout and up into the sky, being absorbed into clouds, sensing it raining down, getting reabsorbed and recycled into the earth, all the way down to the core of the earth, where once again your roots will drink this up again. And really kind of sensing it move up your body, out the top of your head, moving through and recycling into the earth. Just let that cycle go a few times, as many times as you need. I also like to imagine those roots holding me down as if I'm a tree, keeping me grounded, but in a rejuvenating way. And my core being the tree trunk, my arms being the limbs, reaching up to the sky, keeping us connected to the sky. And just as when the wind blows, the branches might sway, but the trunk is always solid. The same is true when things in life happen to us, knowing that we might sway, but we always have this core solid place. So I hope that this was able to bring about some relaxation and some space between yourself and some of the parts that might be up for you right now. And just remember that this is always here. It's always at your center. Thank you.